What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over XRP, guys. There is a tradable pattern here, a bull pennant that I wanted to make you guys aware of. So we're sitting at $1.27. XRP is looking very, very strong. When Bitcoin sees a little green candle, XRP just shoots up. We're currently up about 5% on the day. We're sitting at market cap at 54.63 billion. 24-hour volume is 12.45 billion. So let's hop into it, guys. So we're here on the 4-hour chart, and you can see here I've drawn out a bit of a bull pennant. So if you do see it start to break out and back test it as support, then it's a huge breakout target. It's a huge trade opportunity. If we measure our flagpole, can bring you all the way up past $1.46 here, depending on where you break out, to roughly $1.63 is your target. So do keep an eye on that pattern if you do break out to the upside. If we quickly look at Bitcoin, you can Bitcoin is such a beast. The bulls are just looking so strong. We had this bearish pattern, but I said there's a high likelihood that we could have a throwback because the bears are just looking, or the bulls are just looking so strong. You can see here we had a bearish pennant. We're breaking out to the upside, and we're very close to breaking this neckline. If we get back above the 55 EMA, actually this is the 30-minute chart. Let me go to the 1 hour. Yeah, so we're hitting some resistance on the 20 EMA, but if we were to get back above it and invalidate this head and shoulders and see that continuation to the upside, that's when you would see XRP just absolutely pump, and I think it would reach $1.46 and $1.63. XRP simply doesn't correct that hard, even when Bitcoin is going through its corrections. Bitcoin sees a little bit of relief, a little green candle, and XRP, I mean, XRP has been sitting in between about $1.22 to $1.36 for basically the entire day. So it's just showing immense strength, in my opinion. If we look at XRP on the daily, we're quite overextended, so a correction is due. We have bounced off 86, 84 on the RSI, 85 quite a few times. We bounced here. We came a little bit higher, and then we came down. We bounced here, and we bounced right here as well. So many bounces off this level. But I think there's a high chance of XRP just consolidating in between that $1.22 to $1.36, and then shooting up to these next price targets, $1.46, and then you basically have your all-time high here at $1.96. If we were to correct, I really don't see us breaking $1.17. We may not even come down to that price target. We may just consolidate where we are. But if we were to sell off more, if Bitcoin were to go through a further correction here, and maybe reach this technical target of this head and shoulders, and then we have this larger rising wedge, but I don't see us coming down to 37.5K anytime soon, in my opinion. I think we'll go up to 50K, 54K before we see a major pullback. But it's just my opinion, guys. I wanted to make you guys aware of this bull pennant here. We are quite overbought, so be cautious if you're trading this. I probably will enter the trade, and I'll be watching it closely, as we are just quite overextended and overbought. But I do think XRP has a lot more room to pump here before we see a bit of a steeper correction here. And with Bitcoin as well, I think the bulls are still looking really strong if we invalidate this head and shoulders. And if we come up and break our high that I talked about in my Bitcoin video today, and we see that continuation, well, XRP is just going to fly. ADA is going to fly. But if Bitcoin were to reach this technical target here, so we'll see what happens. All eyes on Bitcoin right now, but XRP is just showing tremendous strength. Do keep an eye on this pattern. That's a major trade opportunity if you do see that breakout to the upside. But trade cautiously, as we are currently sitting in greedy. We were extremely greedy yesterday, and now we're just sitting in greed. And we are quite overextended, so just trade cautiously if you do see that breakout. We could still easily come up to these price targets here, but eventually we do have to see some sort of larger correction, in my opinion. A little bit of bearish divergence on the 4 hour as well. We created a high, we created a higher high, and we created a lower high on the RSI. But on the hourly and on the 4 hour chart, these can take a long time to play out. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope it brought you some value. It's starting to get dark here. I'm losing my natural light. Smash that like button. Follow me on social. Sign up to Bybit, up to $1,600 in bonuses. And check out crypto.com. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love. Take care.